Chris the Curious Dad.
Hello and welcome to episode 5 of Chris the Curious Dad, where I look at crafty things and gadgets that I happen to come across or have or own or have seen somewhere. And today I'm going to talk about this little folding knife, and this is called the Gerber EAB, and as far as I'm aware, EAB stands for Exchange Blade. So essentially it's like a folding craft knife or a folding utility knife. And I'll just open it up there. So it takes the exchangeable blades, the standard exchangeable blades that you can buy in most hardware shops, and it basically you loosen this little screw here and you slide them in and just tighten the screw again, and you have a very compact and very safe folding knife that you can just keep on you in your pocket. Now it does lock in position, so there's no danger of it folding back on your fingers or anything. And there's also, I suppose it depends on which way you use it. Generally I'd use it like that with put a finger over the top of it, but it seems to have a kind of a finger support there, though I'm not so sure I'd put my own finger there. But look, that's the way I use it, and I suppose I've had it now for a few months, and I have to say I think it's very well made. I'm not sure what the finish is. I'm guessing it's some kind of steel. But yeah, I find it very useful. The clip is handy. It's a bit stiff, but you can clip it onto a pocket, and it's small. And if you're in maybe you work in a job where you have to open a lot of boxes and stuff, it can be very handy. So there you go, the Gerber EAB utility knife, or exchangeable blade knife, or craft knife, or whatever you want to call it. So there you go. I will put a link in the description to where I got this from. And there you go. Thank you. Bye.